This is an intermediate filament protein dimer or IF protein dimer. IF protein dimer is the primary building block of intermediate filaments. This is the N-terminus of IF protein dimer and this is the C-terminus of IF protein dimer. N-terminal domain and C-terminal domain of IF protein dimer are non-helical in nature. N-terminal domain and C-terminal domain of IF protein dimer have different sizes. The N-terminal domain of IF protein dimer is called as globular head domain. The C-terminal domain of IF protein dimer is called as globular tail domain. Between globular head domain and globular tail domain, a conserved alpha helical rod domain is present. The conserved alpha helical rod domain has the sequence features of a coiled coil motif. The conserved alpha helical rod domain has about 310 amino acid residues. This is an intermediate filament protein tetramer or IF protein tetramer. An IF protein tetramer is formed by antiparallel staggered side-by-side aggregation of two identical dimers. Tetramers aggregate end-to-end and interlocked into long protofilaments. 4 protofilaments associate into a protofibril. In a mature intermediate filament, 4 protofibrils are present. So, a mature intermediate filament has 16 protofilaments. The IF protein dimer, IF protein tetramer and mature intermediate filament shown in this video belong to Ascaris. Ascaris is an intestinal parasitic worm. IFs are encoded in human genome by 70 different genes in at least 5 subfamilies. Please like, subscribe and share.